I've seen several videos regarding the 1-inch ball ram mount installation. Most of them, however, seem to require you to remove the large bolts off of the triple tree and cut rubber adapters and installing nuts and washers underneath to make it fit properly. But if you have this large, I believe it's 16 millimeter Allen wrench slot in your triple tree, this could be the product that'll work great. It's got an expansion nut on the bottom and the 1-inch ball on the top. What I did is I took a small pick and just removed this cap, and this exposes the smaller Allen wrench slot. I take the hexagonal end of the part and push it down into the center of the triple tree. Fits great. I use a smaller Allen wrench to tighten the end of the ball. I didn't use a torque wrench, but I did tighten it down pretty tight. And once that expansion nut grabs, that thing becomes nice and solid. I'll take my small plastic cap, put it back in so no rainwater or moisture get in there. Then I grab my ram mount, install it on the ball, tighten, and I double check. I can go lock to lock and it does not interfere with anything. Then I'm ready to put a phone in it. This is a Galaxy S8 Plus, which is a little large for a cell phone. Fits great. I like to use the rubber straps to hold that in just in case. I don't want it bouncing out on the highway. But I'm sure a lot of people are going to like the horizontal view too. That's easy. Just loosen the ram mount, adjust your view, and tighten it back up. And you're ready to ride. Be safe out there. Subscribe to my channel. I'll make more videos. Thanks for watching.